Hey everybody, this is Jim Boyer at Wheels and Deals Auto Dealership in Pomeroy, Ohio. We got a 2014 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. This is the sport trim package we're getting ready to put up. I'd like to share this with you. It's got a removable hardtop to it. It does have a 6-cylinder V6 3.6 liter engine in it. So we'll do a quick walk around here on the outside, then we'll go on the inside and let you take a look at it. As you can see, it does have the running boards to it. Tinted windows on it. Now on the back, the lower half and the glass itself will open up. Let me go ahead and show you what that looks like. Okay, there we go. We got the bottom part of it opened up. Let's go ahead and, as far as the top, let me just go ahead and show you. It just lifts up. That's all there is to it. So the glass lifts up. You got a lot of space back here, and show you it's got a 60-40 split seat on this. It does fold down. You do have the stereo speakers up overhead. So let's go ahead and continue our walk around. Okay, we'll go ahead and continue on the driver's side. Take a little bit of time to showcase the Jeep. Got nice rims, a lot of tread left on these tires, if not virtually brand new. So let's go ahead and take a, now one thing before we get inside, I wanted to point out, hope you can see the emblem, but it does have heated mirrors. So let's look inside. You do have black cloth interior. So I'll show you that. We'll go up overhead. Here you can see the speakers. The front part is removable, so the top does come off within just, very easy to do. Okay, we'll take a look at the inside up front now. Do a quick pan around before we actually hop inside of the Jeep. So let's go ahead and get inside. Okay, I am inside. Just started it up and you can see everything coming to life inside. So we'll get up here on the instrument cluster first, and you can see as of now, the mileage on this is 140, that's a trip odometer, 145,019 miles. And here on the left side, you probably do have the sun hitting, but you do have Bluetooth connectivity, and will connect to your smartphone. And on the right, you do have cruise control. So we'll go over here to the main part of it. You can see your stereo system here. It does have CD player. Get down to your heating, cooling, and your 4-wheel drive, 2-wheel drive selector is right here to the left of your gear shift. You do have 2 cup holders. And as far as the latches, very simple. To take the top off, just release this one, the one on the other visor, and then 3 in back. And that's it. And then your top is removable. But that's it, ladies and gentlemen. That is our 2014 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited, the Sport trim package. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a phone call. Be happy to answer those. Come up for a test drive. Got a lot of financing options available. So with that, hope you have a great day. Bye for now.